Hello everyone, this is Kataps once again, welcoming you to our YouTube channel. Thank you for always being good subscribers, good viewers, and good at least supporters. We are here sharing with you the importance of ash and charcoal. This pot just came from the brooder, which we're having right here. And these birds, these chicks are now 16 days, so they no longer need the fire. We just got it out right now. Meaning, you can't throw away this ash. It's a product and the necessity on your farm. We're going to share in this video what does it do and what does the charcoal do to your chickens. So stay on the video till the end. We shall share everything. If you've ever been on a poultry farm, always when you enter the poultry farm, what will come is usually, some farms it is the smell, bad odor. But here we are saying, give your birds this ash, give your birds the charcoal, or apply it in their bedding so that the bad odor gets out. If these birds eat this ash in the feed or drink it in the water, it means they will have to defecate the poo that does not smell. When you give the birds this ash and the charcoal, it reduces hydrogen sulfide and ammonia so that they don't have that bad smell in your chicken poo, so in your chicken house. So meaning, when you want to remove the bad odor in your farm, you must apply this so that the birds are living and you're also living in harmony. And that's what we call ecosystem. All of you are living in harmony and there's no problem. We are going to put ash and charcoal in our feeds and of course in the water. But why do we do that? When you give charcoal and ash in your feeds, number one, you're very sure that the digestive system of a bird improves. Of course, when something eats, or maybe a bird or a person eats better, digestion system being good, what do you gain? Of course, automatically you find it is weight gain. This is very necessary in the brooder, the younger birds in brooding. That means once you give them this, they grow very fast and you're out of brooder very fast. It also gives the weight gain to broilers because broilers want them to gain weight as fast as possible. Maybe by 5 weeks, 4 weeks, you are selling them off. So this one, because it contains minerals like phosphorus, calcium, potassium, and magnesium, it helps the birds to get all that kind of minerals around it, and then the bird will thrive in its growth. And that's better for your birds because you want to farm to have better birds, especially broilers. They grow very fast and you are doing well on the farm. When you give ash to your birds, the conversion ratio increases very fast. And once it increases, it means your birds are eating what is necessary. Whatever you give them, it becomes necessary to the body, rather than giving them the food and then they just defecate it like that. You find that you're giving them too much feed and then you're gaining less weight. No, let's give them this ash and this charcoal so that the conversion ratio improves, and then we cut the cost of giving them a lot of feed than gaining more, because you know the feeds are expensive. So once you give them a lot of feed, you cut on the profits. So give them less feed that converts easily, and you get more profits. That's what we are looking for, all of us on the farms. When you give charcoal or this ash to your chickens, you're very sure that your birds will grow at a higher rate. Why? It gives appetite, and again, it improves the digestive system of a bird. This charcoal and ash, they form a base. When mixed with water, they form the base in the stomach of a bird. And now, when it forms that base, it helps the bird to have digestion take place better. And once the digestion takes place, the bird will thrive. The bird will grow with better health. So when you give your birds this, they improve the immune system. This is because they kill the mites, the lice. It also improves it also helps in deworming the birds. And once you do that, the birds will live. That's improved immune system. So always, at least put some little in your feed. We all know very well that charcoal helps in reducing diarrhea, whether in human beings or in birds. So these broilers have a habit of getting or passing the stool that is too watery. We want this charcoal this ash to make it a bit thicker. Don't give it a lot so they don't cause concentration, but this one helps them in getting at least thicker poo so that you don't have that wet, very wet chicken house. No. This one given to your birds reduces stress in the birds. I tell you, when something is fed well, when human being fed well, feeds well, all the birds is fed well, it can't be stressed. No, it removes the stress. And what next? You live a better life. Never waste anything. Never. Look at this ash. I just got from the pot which was here. Because this has been a brooder, and then in brooder, of course in the brooding, we must apply fire so that there is heat. Now that fire was used, we got the heat from the charcoal. Now, I'm going to apply this same ash in this, the dust on the ground. That is coffee husks. Then the mixer. Of course, when we remove this one, in the end, it's very good for manure, very good fertilizer. That means we are hitting two birds with one stone. You get the good manure, especially in the banana plantation. Oh, wow. Sorry. It absorbs a lot of water. But you apply it, the water is absorbed automatically. How do you apply our charcoal and ash to the drinking water or in the feeds? We are saying you can add 0.3% or 0.3 grams in every kilogram of feed. So here an example is if you're making 1,000 kilograms of feed, you put 3 kilograms of ash and charcoal. And we don't use any charcoal just like that. We use this charcoal that was burnt under very limited oxygen. The charcoal that the way we make the charcoal, you see, as you see, you make the charcoal burn under the soil, so that does not have a lot of oxygen, and that is what we almost get carbonated charcoal. Or you get it, you roast it after crushing it, and that is good charcoal. But for the ash, this is clean ash, and you also don't use every ash. We use organic ash that came from charcoal, or that came from maybe the grass, the greens. We don't use ash from the paper, the polythene. No, we must apply the right ash. So here, I am going to put in the water. You put in the water. I will put in all of these, just about 10 spoons of ash and just a little charcoal. You can see, you put in little ash. When you apply this ash, you're just sure that this is an organic production of poultry. So these birds will be ready within 10 days from now, and selling them, people will enjoy the right meat. We put at least 10 spoons in each 10 liters of water here, of ash. Now, I will just apply 1 piece of charcoal in every jar, in every drinking container. Just 1 piece. You can crush it, but you can also give it straight like this. As you can see, the water turns a bit white or colorless. Of course, it becomes colorless, and then the charcoal is floating on top. I grew up in a community of people who do plant matoke, people who have cows, who have pigs. And when we were growing up, we used to see our parents giving this ash to the pigs, and of course putting it on the banana suckers, banana plantation. We were wondering what was the reason. This ash and this charcoal have potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. These are the minerals that we all need, even human beings. We need calcium for our bone growth. We need magnesium for like ulcers. We need phosphorus for proper growth. So we need all these minerals. That's why we say, giving them to your birds, you will have the best. Here at Kataps Farm, we encourage you to do organic, but I usually say, vaccinate your birds, especially against Newcastle, Gumboro, Malex, and if you can manage, do for typhoid. When you vaccinated your birds, and give them this every week or every 1 month, you never have to go to the market to buy drugs. This is the reality. This is what we are sharing, and we want you to practice it. Once you're practicing it, you will never go to the pharmacy to look for drugs for chickens. If I'm asked of what I love most, I'll be straight up mention that I love a bird. I love chicks. Because it's how beautiful they are eating. They are eating beautifully. So this, we don't only give charcoal or ash to broilers, we also give them to layers. You can see I have a farm of layers. That's a house of layers. Also I have a house of broilers. When you're doing poultry, always, you can either concentrate on one type, or you also do another one. At least here I know every month, if I get 200,000 from these broilers, they can pay a worker working in the layers. And if I get money from the layers, it helps me to develop, get more investments. That means you should touch here and there. You cannot just concentrate on broilers or layers. We must have everything together. So my friends, those who are there looking at me, thank you so much for being with us always. We are here to guide you in every way. If you have any question, put in the comment section. And if you want to ask me deeply, go to my WhatsApp. My number is there. Or you give me a call. When you apply charcoal in the chicken house, you stand high chances of reducing and removing coccidiosis, because charcoal is a detoxifier. To remove those infections, those microbiomes that want to cause the diseases, it removes them. And of course, the mites and the lice are gone. That is the importance of charcoal in the reality, and it is pure. Okay, if you're here watching, don't forget, please click that like button. Subscribe to this channel. And also, you can share to your friends, because we want many people to get this information, to gain. Share to your friends. Otherwise, I'm here. Want to share, want to develop each other. I started from zero. You too can start from what is available. This is Kataps. I thank you for always watching my videos.